Welcome to this regular season matchup.
Jim, these teams are warmed up and ready to play, and hey, I'm ready to watch.
Really?
Yep.
Then this should work out pretty well.
I think so.
Foot grabs the puck. Shoots from the left. Legacy turned the shot aside. Yager jumps on the loose puck. Robitaille shoots it.
Unfortunately, because he missed the net, I'm going to have to add a penalty stroke.
Keane. Colorado dumps the puck in. Lidstrom gets the pass from Legacy. Yager. Sakic with the puck. Keane grabs it. Colorado puts its checking line out. Yell shoots the puck from the corner. Legacy denied him. Yager. Chelios wrist shot. Waugh made the save. Waugh hangs on for the whistle. Lemieux wins the draw. Brewer rips a shot. Delayed call against Drury. Detroit is watching in horror. One of their players can't get up. That man will take a rest, at least for a little while.
He could still be back in this game, though.
Drury will serve time for slashing.
Look at how smoothly that penalty box door swings open to let him in, Jim. They must oil it on a regular basis.
Colorado will play shorthanded.
But I've got a good feeling about this one. This team loves to be the underdog.
Breakaway! Reinprecht fired it hard! Drury has finished serving his penalty. Kuba. Lemieux, it's one-on-one. Schaefer, hard shot, he scores!
I think even the goalie is considering shaking his hand after that amazing goal.
Detroit goal. Scored
Schaefer.
by number 72. Peter Schaefer, assisted by number
Solani.
66.
Yell.
Lemieux, and
That
by
confirms it,
number
Jim.
9,
He can deke with one hand tied behind his back.
Hecht in the clear, saved by Legacy.
Nothing a well-placed fire hydrant couldn't have stopped.
Solani with a one-timer. Oh, he missed. Lemieux takes control of the puck. Backhand shot, turned away.
Cha-ching! Not this time, Ace.
Hecht. Yell grabbed the puck. Legacy stones him cold. Yell jumps on the loose puck. Chelios gives him the business.
If you look up the word painful hit in the dictionary, which that hit most certainly was,
And there's some punishment being dealt out on the ice.
all of you young kids out there, now's a good time to go wash your face and get ready for bed.
And it looks like we have our winner.
I'm pretty sure it's the guy who's still standing, Jim.
Very good, Don.
Detroit penalty to number
Reinprecht.
47.
Van Imp now has the puck. Colorado grabbed it.
Colorado penalty to number 52. Adam Foote, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Lemieux. Yager corrals it. Drury plays a little peekaboo with the puck. Chelios gets pushed off the puck.
Roses are red, violets are blue. This guy just took a massive pasting.
Nylander, huge save.
This is your typical story of puck meets net. Not.
Domi gets bumped off the puck. Williams gets a hold of it. Caberlet now with it. Nylander now has it. Waugh made the brilliant save.
In the
Heck.
first period.
Nylander gets hold of the puck. Stoned by Waugh. Put the first period in the books. The Red Wings are showing a strong passing game.
Jim, you might say their lead is amassing from their first-class passing. It's safe to say that was a good old-fashioned tooth and nail of a first period.
You bet, Don, and as we head into the second, let's see who jumps ahead. Keane. Forsberg takes possession of the puck. Mowed down.
Forget baseball, that's a grand slam.
Keane takes control of the puck. Saved by Legacy. Chatan with the puck. Keane, Colorado, gobbles it up. Blake shoots it quickly. Oh, it's not even close. Sakic scores. Awesome shot on that goal.
Yeah, you could sell that guidance system to the military.
Detroit has lost its early lead.
You know, I was going to make some kind of lost or found joke here, but where'd I put it? Okay, here we go.
Number 4.
There once was a man from Nantucket. No, that's not it.
Let's get back to the live action.
I've got to get more organized.
Hecht Niederost corrals the puck. Fires from the right. Saved by Legacy. The ref indicates a delayed call against Detroit. Chelios will get the gate for cross-checking.
According to my hockey knowledge, that infraction would warrant a 2-minute penalty. Sweet, I was right.
Detroit is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1, penalty killer.
Van Imp grabs the puck. Forsberg. It's one-on-one. Legacy made the save. Chelios has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Lidstrom. Chelios. Iserman now has the puck. Domi. Colorado has it now. Domi gets checked. Hesht. Legacy denies him. Robitaille. Chelios shoots the puck. Foot gets it. Niederost took it. Hecht got it. Mowed down. Yell shoots the puck. He picks it up. Legacy shut the door. Schaefer. Lemieux. Kuba jumps on the loose puck. Saved by Roy.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Blake stops the shot. Hecht took the puck. Niederost has it now. Taken out. Foot with the puck. Fires it. Caberlet gets in the way. Solani. He scoops up the loose puck. Shoots it! Great save by Roy! Roy hangs on for the whistle.
Pucks can enter the spectator area with enough speed to cause serious injury.
Foot with the puck. Keane took it. Caberlet picks it off. Colorado in control now. It's one-on-one. Forsberg stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to, huh?
Oderline is hurt. He's grasping at his leg, Don.
He's not feeling comfortable right now, Jim, that's for sure.
That's an understatement. We figured his injury may be too bad to play with.
And we were right. He's going to the locker room.
Forsberg never should have hit his man into the boards here. He was too far from them.
Sometimes players get overly aggressive in a hockey game, Jim, but that's no excuse.
Iserman.
Last minute of play.
Shatan Roy denies him.
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Domi grabs the puck.
Ah, yes, between periods. My Pee-wee coach told me that's when I played my best hockey.
On your AM dial.
Hey, it's starting to feel like a hockey game out there.
And I'm hoping it'll start feeling like hockey color commentary in here.
Ooh, someone's cranky today.
Come here, Don.
No! Let's go to center ice, now!
Yell. Winning ahead of the play. That's offside. Niederost is hurting. You know what's wrong, Don?
I think he's holding his ribs. He must be pretty sore or cracked.
The trainer's helping him out of here, so he must be in some pain.
But he could still return, Jim. He could still return.
Williams. Westland now has the puck. Roy hangs on for the whistle. Drury jumps on the loose puck. Yell. Hecht corrals it. Drury returns it. Yell gets the shot off. Colorado jumps on it. Robitaille. Yager now with it. Roy closes the door. Foot takes control of the puck. Drury fires it from the right. Saved by Legacy. Foot should have stopped right there when he saw the numbers on the back of the guy's sweater.
Checking from behind is not cool, kids.
Schaefer. Schaefer scoops up the loose puck. He gets laid out. Sakic. Shot it! Stoned cold by Legacy.
Not in my net. Not just then, anyway.
Keane runs over Lemieux. Fired it! Blocked. Sakic jumps on the loose puck. Hard shot from the right. Denied by Legacy. Solani. Solani with a wrist shot. Drury. Drury gets muscled off the puck. Detroit takes control. Lemieux.
Shoot it!
Detroit has it. Yager. Lemieux shoots. Waugh made the huge save. Hecht gets the puck. Yell now has it. Hesht. He jumps on the loose puck. Hecht gets checked. That's offside. Lemieux won the faceoff. Robitaille shoots the puck from the corner. Waugh denied him. Yager takes control of the puck. Legacy makes the save. Yzerman. Yzerman now with the puck. Lemieux backhand. Waugh close the door. It's a loose puck. Waugh denies him. Sakic. A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw.
Last minute of
Lock
play
draw, Jim,
in
you
the
know.
third period.
Jeez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No. Yzerman with the puck. Lefebvre fires! Legacy stones him! Legacy turned the shot aside. The game waits as the broken glass is replaced. Messier. Yzerman knocks the puck loose.
Stopped him like an autumn grape.
High note, now with it. He gets out muscled.
This guy doesn't mince words, just people.
Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shot there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Drury shoots. Legacy makes the save.
He's a good shooter and a fine gentleman. But why won't he be my friend?
Robitaille shoots it. Yager jumps on the loose puck. Chelios takes it. Jumped on by Detroit. Lemieux. Robitaille. The door is shut by Roy.
The pressure is mounting. We'll see in overtime who can pop the lid off.
And sell your house. You can buy season's tickets for the next 10 years. On an unrelated note, season's tickets are
Just
now on
before we
sale.
get the next period started, I'd like to say a heartfelt hello to the neighbors of my hometown, particularly the ones who live in my condo.
So they've started up another Evict Don Taylor petition again, huh?
Maybe.
Blake. Shot the puck. Legacy stones him cold. Nieuwendyk. Yzerman now has the puck. Colorado gobbles it up. Sakic. The Avalanche dump it. Lidstrom gets the pass from Legacy. Yzerman with the puck. Yzerman! Waugh made the save!
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Waugh stoned him cold! Yzerman takes control of the puck. Nieuwendyk bowls over Forsberg. Foot with the puck. Detroit makes it. Forsberg scores to win the game!
If there's no such thing as a perfect goal, then I guess that last one was just a figment of my imagination.
It's all over. Detroit loses the game in an over.